Welcome to today's deep dive into one of the most catastrophic industrial accidents in history, the Bhopal Gas Tragedy, which occurred on the night of December 2, 1984, in Bhopal, India, stands as a chilling reminder of the potential perils of industrial operations. We'll explore the events leading up to the disaster, its immediate impact, and the long-term consequences. The Union Carbide India Limited USL plant in Bhopal was primarily engaged in the production of a pesticide called 7. This pesticide contained methyl isocyanate mic, a highly toxic and volatile chemical. Mic was essential for the pesticide's effectiveness, but its dangerous nature required stringent safety measures which, tragically, were not adequately in place. On the night of December 2nd, the disaster began with a mechanical failure. Water leaked into a storage tank containing mic, triggering a violent chemical reaction. The reaction caused the tank's pressure to rise rapidly, leading to the release of a massive cloud of mic gas into the atmosphere. The gas cloud, invisible and odorless, spread over the city of Bhopal, impacting densely populated areas near the plant. Residents were caught off guard, and the consequences were immediate. People began experiencing severe respiratory issues, eye irritation, and nausea. As the gas cloud continued to drift, the situation worsened. Within hours, thousands of people were dead or in critical condition. Estimates suggest that between 3,000 and 5,000 people died within the first few days of the disaster. As time went on, the death toll rose significantly due to complications from gas exposure, with estimates ranging from 15,000 to 20,000. The scale of the tragedy was overwhelming. The immediate impact of the gas was horrific, but the long-term effects were equally devastating. Many survivors suffered from chronic respiratory problems, eye damage, and other serious health issues. Birth defects and long-term health complications were also reported among the children born to survivors. The disaster revealed serious lapses in safety protocols at the USL plant. Investigations found that the plant had inadequate safety systems, poor maintenance practices, and a lack of proper emergency response plans. Regulatory oversight was also severely lacking, contributing to the scale of the tragedy. In the wake of the disaster, Union Carbide faced significant criticism and legal challenges. The Indian government and Union Carbide reached a settlement in 1989, with the company agreeing to pay $470 million in compensation to the victims. However, many felt this amount was grossly insufficient given the scale of the suffering. The Bhopal gas tragedy also sparked global discussions about industrial safety standards. In the wake of the disaster, many countries revised their industrial safety regulations and disaster response protocols to prevent similar incidents. The tragedy became a case study in the importance of rigorous safety practices and effective regulatory oversight. Today, Bhopal stands as a symbol of both the potential dangers of industrial operations and the enduring human spirit. The survivors, often referred to as the Bhopal gas victims, continue to seek justice and proper compensation. Their resilience and advocacy have brought attention to the need for continuous improvement in industrial safety and emergency preparedness. The Bhopal gas tragedy serves as a powerful reminder of the impact of industrial disasters on human lives and communities. It underscores the necessity of stringent safety measures and responsible management in industrial operations. As we reflect on the events of that fateful night, let us honor the victims and survivors by advocating for safety and accountability in every corner of the industrial world. Thank you for joining us as we remember the Bhopal gas tragedy, reminding you that the lessons of history are essential for shaping a safer future. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and ensure that the horrors of the past are never repeated. Until next time, take care and keep learning from history.